Hey champs! Let's take a quick walkthrough of the social media calendar by Social Champ. Here you can view, edit, delete, and reschedule your current and future social media posts, all from our all-in-one social media calendar. So let's go! Once on the Social Champ's dashboard, click on the Calendar tab on the top left corner. Now on the Calendar view from the top left, you can choose from all, future, sent, or failed options to take a look at the statuses of your posts. Additionally, you can also select from all, scheduled, queue, bulk, recycle, and forever posts from the top right drop-down menu. Choose any one account to view your posts or multiple accounts to view all your posts from the platform. Edit or reschedule any post by simply clicking on the post, make the required changes from the pop-up window, and save. If you are either not happy with the post or if you want the post to go up immediately, click on Delete or Post Now option and ding! Done! Want to give a new look to your old schedule? No problem! Use the all-in-one social media calendar to drag and drop posts to any slot available in the future. You can also drag and drop your sent and failed posts and reschedule them for the future. Oops! Is scheduled posts by mistake? Well, worry no more! Social Champ allows you to delete all your scheduled posts apart from the recycle posts and the forever posts. Just click on the bin displayed at the top right of the dashboard and delete the posts. Finally, our personal favorite option of the social media calendar. Click on the plus sign at the corner of each box to create a new post for that day within the social media calendar. But wait, one more thing. Use the top arrows on the dashboard to swipe left and right between months or years to schedule posts for up to 3 years. The social media calendar is your personal scheduler for the months or even the years to come. Happy scheduling, champs!